Today is Saturday, August 28, 2010, and doing a little bit of analysis here for the S&P 500. So look at a chart of the 5-year weekly, and each bar is 1 week. As you can see, at the end of last week, we put in a nice little reversal buy here at the bottom of the range. So my first instinct just looking at this chart is some buying pressure to the upside coming up next week. And of course, that's permitting that we do see a break of this high and some nice bullish action set up on lower time frames. So if we go into a 2-year daily chart, you get the same idea. We actually had a nice little trade here when price was down in this area. We're talking about this level and this level right here. In terms of shorts, obviously this one didn't work. This one did, and the target was down here at this support level, which we came down to very cleanly. Now, something to notice here, that supports this bullish action is that we did have a nice clean close below, came back, retested, had a reversal bar, and then we actually had a lower low as well. But instead of price continuing down to this support level, the buyers came in, broke past resistance, and came right to this downward trend line on the daily chart. So seeing this close here on the daily, seeing how much buying pressure there was, and combining that with the range and also the weekly, the weekly chart, I'd expect some continued buying pressure to come in next week and take this back up, perhaps these support levels, that we've pointed out prior. So in keeping with that, I'll most likely look for some sort of a break of this trend line and close below it, perhaps a retest, and then go with the bulls on this one. But for the most part, it's been fairly range bound. If we go back to the zoom out on this 2-year chart, you can see that we had this wonderful run up, and then we've had this giant head and shoulders. But there's arguments for, well, okay, there's inverted head and shoulders here now too. So it's really just back and forth, range trading. Now, one thing that I've learned is that anybody can trade this. This is pretty easy. You can just close your eyes and just buy, and come back 3 months later. Oh, there you are. Up big. But really trading the range. Understanding that we're in a range, that we're not always going to be trending. Is very key as a trader, and being able to adapt to that and take those range plays as opposed to looking for those those 100 point moves, is a big difference. And so I do see that this market is most likely trying to create that kind of scenario where we're going to bounce around for a while. A lot of people are going to be trying to get in bullish, bearish, looking for big breakdowns. But I think it's important to understand that just take what the market gives you and just play that range for now. And so early next week, that's what we're looking for. And when it does set up, I'll be more than happy to take what the market's going to give me. So that's my analysis for now, and hope all you have a good weekend, and good luck next week. Thank you. MugTrading.tk.